So here we are in this terrible rainstorm to get watermelon for who?
And cherries if they have them, if they're any good.
And cherries if they have them, if they're any good.
Oh, we look at the paper.
Well, look, I think I see the ark.
Cool.
I expected in this rain. This is some serious rain.
Yep.
Which it hasn't quit raining for what, months?
Yeah.
Every single day for months.
Yep.
Ah. You know, I look really old.
Hey, join the club.
And you enjoy my suffering. See, that made her laugh. If I'm ever in pain or anything, she always has to laugh. I mean, it's a dark secret that her friends don't know about.
No, you tell everybody. You tell everybody.
Well, I will.
It's the truth. I don't know why. It just seems. It's the way that you say it. You say it so in a way that it's just funny. Yeah, I appreciate your humor.
Funny. Like, I am a clown to amuse you.
Of course. I thought you knew that.
You don't even know what film reference that's from.
No, I don't. What is it?
Goodfellas.
Oh. Well, now I know.
And knowing's half the battle. We're discussing umbrella size. I have a nice big umbrella.
And
She has a little tiny umbrella.
I'm wondering though if mine.
She's like, is yours bigger than mine? And I said, I'm not going there.
It better be, huh?
Here we are, Costco, at the watermelons.
Oh boy, now they have the best watermelon.
I am the watermelon whisperer.
Whole life.
Watermelons speak to me.
He can pick out watermelons really, really well. He's the best watermelon.
Here.
Wait a minute, where's my viewfinder?
You don't have one. I do. You hear that? You hear that?
Yeah,
That's the sound
that's the
of
sound.
a happy watermelon.
Oh boy, thank you.